Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Home Depot affiliate program using product links step by step clearly. To enable the Home Depot affiliate program using product links, start by visiting the Home Depot affiliate program website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in the required details such as your name, email address, and website information. Once your account is created, log in to the affiliate dashboard. Navigate to the Products tab to explore available items. Use the search bar to find specific products you want to promote. Once you find your desired product, click on it for more details. Look for the option to generate an affiliate link or product link. Customize the link if needed, adding tracking parameters or specific tags. Copy the generated affiliate link to your clipboard. Now, head to the platform where you want to share the link. Paste the affiliate link in your content, whether it's a blog, social media, or YouTube description. Ensure to disclose that the links are affiliate links if required by regulations. Monitor your dashboard for clicks and sales to track your performance. Stay updated on the latest products and promotions through the affiliate dashboard. Keep experimenting with different products to maximize your earnings. Engage with your audience by providing honest reviews and recommendations. This strategy will help you effectively promote Home Depot products through their affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.